Welcome back Scout Automobile One. Stop scrolling, because this is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, where luxury meets the future. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a true symbol of modern luxury, where elegance, technology, and comfort all come together in one refined package. From every angle, this car reflects premium engineering and a calm executive personality that defines the Mercedes identity. Starting with the front view, the new E-Class presents a bold yet sophisticated look. The signature Mercedes grille sits proudly in the center with a refined chrome pattern that instantly grabs attention. The iconic star logo adds a strong brand presence, while the advanced LED headlights bring a sharp and intelligent light signature. The front bumper is designed with clean aerodynamic lines that not only enhance the look but also improve efficiency. Overall, the front gives a perfect balance of luxury and modern styling. From the front left angle, the long bonnet and smooth body flow become more visible. The car carries a perfect executive sedan proportion, giving it a stretched and premium road presence. The alloy wheels enhance the sporty yet elegant character, while the flush door handles and smooth side panels give a futuristic touch. The side mirrors are aerodynamically designed, adding both style and functionality. This angle clearly shows how refined and balanced the design really is. Moving to the front right view, the symmetry of the design stands out beautifully. The chrome detailing along the windows adds a premium highlight, and the body lines continue smoothly toward the rear. The stance of the car looks stable and confident, showing that this E-Class is designed for both comfort and presence on the road. At the rear, the 2026 E-Class brings a modern and clean design language. The connected LED taillights stretch across the full width of the car, creating a wide and futuristic appearance. The light animation effect adds a premium touch every time the car is locked or unlocked. The rear bumper is minimal yet elegant, and the Mercedes badge sits perfectly in the center, maintaining a strong identity. From the back left angle, the aerodynamic flow of the body is clearly visible. The rear fender design blends smoothly into the trunk, creating a soft and luxurious curve. The roofline slightly slopes toward the rear, giving it a coupe-inspired elegance while still maintaining sedan practicality. The lighting design from this angle looks layered and highly detailed. From the back right view, the design continues with the same elegance and balance. The rear profile looks clean, with subtle chrome touches enhancing the premium feel. The exhaust integration is neatly hidden, keeping the design smooth and sophisticated. This angle highlights the stability and luxury presence of the vehicle. Now stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 E-Class feels like entering a digital luxury lounge. The dashboard is fully modern with a wide digital display setup that connects the instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly. The graphics are sharp and the system responds instantly to touch and voice commands. The materials used inside the cabin include premium leather, soft touch surfaces, and brushed metal finishes that enhance the luxury experience. The steering wheel is multifunctional with touch controls that allow easy access to key features without distraction. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin, creating a relaxing and premium atmosphere, especially during night driving. The front seats are highly comfortable with multiple adjustments, heating, ventilation and massage functions, making long drives extremely smooth and fatigue-free. Moving to the rear left seat, comfort is clearly a top priority. The legroom is generous, and the seat cushioning is designed for long-distance relaxation. Rear passengers get their own climate control options, charging ports and armrest comfort features. The overall experience from this seat feels quiet, spacious and luxurious. From the rear right seat, the experience feels even more executive. This seat offers maximum comfort with a relaxing posture angle, making it ideal for long journeys or chauffeur-driven use. The cabin insulation keeps outside noise to a minimum, making the ride calm and peaceful. Talking about price, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is positioned in the premium executive luxury sedan segment. The price varies depending on the engine option and feature package, but overall it sits in the upper luxury range, targeting professionals and buyers who want a balance of comfort, technology, and prestige. Higher variants with advanced features and hybrid systems naturally come at a higher price point due to their added technology and refinement. In terms of features, the car is packed with advanced technology. It includes intelligent driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. The infotainment system supports wireless smartphone connectivity, voice control, and over-the-air updates. Safety is also a major highlight with multiple airbags, 360-degree camera support, and smart sensor-based protection systems. On the driving side, the E-Class focuses more on comfort and smooth performance rather than aggressive driving. The suspension system absorbs road bumps very effectively, giving a floating ride feel. The engine delivers power in a smooth and linear way, making city driving and highway cruising both extremely comfortable. The cabin remains quiet even at high speeds, maintaining a true luxury experience. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is not just a car, it is a complete luxury experience. It combines elegant design, advanced technology, and world-class comfort into one refined package. From the front design to the rear elegance, from the digital interior to the executive rear seats, everything is designed to deliver a premium and peaceful driving experience. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel, because here you will keep getting more luxury car videos like this.